welcome back. I haven't been very good about filming my life here in San Francisco because, to be honest, it's not really that interesting. So I'd much rather film and edit my travel experiences, but I actually do feel like there's quite a bit going on lately, so I figured this would be a good time to sort of sit down, check in, and document some life updates that are happening. So the first big thing is I have a new job. I will be starting a new role in 2 days, and it's an internal move, so it's nothing crazy. I'm still going to be at the same company, but it is in a completely different side of the business than what I've been doing for the past year and a half. So fairly big change, and I think there will be a learning curve for sure, but I'm really excited for what's to come, and I think this is kind of good timing for me to make a transition. I'm also going to Taiwan soon. I'm leaving for Taiwan in about a week, and I'll be there for 2 weeks this time. So if you found me through my Taiwan content, then you're in luck because I have more coming. I am going to be there for a little bit less time because obviously I'll be starting a new job and onboarding, so I'm pretty lucky that I even get to go in the first place. Yeah, just looking forward to, walking around, doing my usual routines, shopping, eating, and also seeing family again. The next big update I have is that I am moving. Today is November 30th. I will be moving in a little under a month on December 27th. So lots going on between now and then, but essentially I've been in the same place for around 3.5 years by now, and it definitely feels like I've overstayed my welcome. I very much loved this apartment, and I feel like I made a lot of really core memories in here, and this is kind of the place that I grew up in. So it is hard to let go, especially with rent control and the COVID prices that I had locked in, but I do think it is time for a little bit of a change of scenery and also a little bit of a lifestyle upgrade. For the first time in my life, I'll have a dishwasher and in-unit washer dryer and outdoor space. I'm not moving far, just a couple blocks away, but I think it'll feel like a very different space once I am settled in. I am quite overwhelmed with everything that's happening, especially since it's all coming at me at once. There's quite a lot to do between now and the end of the month, but it's okay. It'll all get done because it has to get done, and we'll get there. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for all that's coming, and I think 2025 will be a great year. Anyways, I'm gonna roll some clips over the past couple of weeks, and I hope you enjoy. I was really busy at work during this time between continuing to work on my existing projects, but also figuring out the logistics of joining a new team, communicating with all the different people involved, waiting for the offer letter, and for the internal approvals to go through. It did feel like a bit of a waiting game, even though in reality, it really didn't take that long and I'm just an anxious person. But in the end, it all worked out. Good morning. Really happy to say that I finally have the offer letter in my inbox, and I'm gonna sign it. And don't worry, I did negotiate and it did work for the first time in my life ever. So yeah, I just want to kind of document this process because I think it is going to be a really big change for me. I am opening up the offer right now. This is my first time seeing it. It's kind of scary. I did it. Signed, sealed, and delivered. I just got off work and I'm heading to a little post-work event today in Japantown. It's for our Asian American ERG, and honestly I just signed up because I saw there's free food, but I guess I'm excited to do some networking and elbow rubbing as well. And I'm anticipating my final few weeks of work to be pretty hectic, so I'm just gonna enjoy these small events while I can. Friendsgiving today, and it's a lot of people. I think it's like around 20 people. I've never cooked for that many people, so I don't know if I'm gonna get these portion sizes right, but I'm making a spicy rigatoni. I feel like spicy rigatoni is fairly uncontroversial, so hopefully everyone will eat it. This stuff is the secret sauce. I just got this from Whole Foods, but it is a game changer. Is getting nice and gloopy, which is what I like to see. First bite. Your tree's so pretty. Oh, is that your pie? It looks so good.
I need to use it for tomorrow too.
What's tomorrow?
I have another Friendsgiving.
What do you mean you can't kill it? We're gonna eat that.
You're gonna bring half-eaten pie to your Friendsgiving?
Wait, yeah, what the hell?
Yeah.
What? Okay, this is the before. I'll do the after. Brought back some gifts for me from Japan. This little Miffy keychain, which is so cute. I've been on a Miffy kick lately. I've accumulated so much Miffy stuff over the past couple of months. And then she got the famous matcha that's apparently now sold out. This is the one that everyone has been getting on social media. I don't know much about it, but my friends use TikTok too, so I'm excited to use this. I'm gonna start making my own matcha lattes. I had a lovely, lovely Friendsgiving yesterday. It was so nice to see everyone in the same place again. I feel like as I get older, that happens less and less. My friend just recently moved back from New York, so she stayed over at my place last night, and we were able to catch up today over pho and matcha, and it was just such a lovely afternoon. And now I'm going to Catbird because they're having a sale, I believe. And I also want to test out some new scents at a perfume store nearby. And then I have Friendsgiving Part 2 today. I submitted an application for the apartment that I looked at yesterday, and honestly, I think we're gonna get it. I think I'm moving in a month, so that's also really exciting. Did you buy anything? I'm getting ready to go out right now, but before I do, I wanted to show a couple of pieces that I recently got from aelfric Eden. This is the first one. It's this really cute half zip sweater. This is just very much my vibe. I am trying to wear a little bit more color lately, so something like this works perfectly because it's color without being too in your face. This one's just really comfy, casual, but can I think also be kind of dressed up depending on how you style it. I'm just wearing it with some baggy jeans, but you could definitely, you know, wear a skirt with this, make it look a little bit more preppy, and will be perfect for San Francisco winters. This is the next piece. It's a little bit more outside of my comfort zone, but still very cute. Love the vertical stripes. I think it's really flattering, and also this color is really beautiful. It's like a bluish green. This one reminds me of my days on the high school tennis team. Probably the wrong sport, but you know, you get the vibe. And these pieces feel really nice. Like this material is super thick and will definitely keep you warm. This is the next piece. It's a little bit more edgy. It's got these kind of like liquid metal letters. I feel like this design is very Espa, if you know what I'm saying. I think this will just be really nice to throw on those lazy days. And then the last piece I got is just a leather bomber. This is faux leather, but I've actually been looking for a piece like this for a while now. I love jackets that fit over like big sweaters and hoodies because I tend to layer up a lot in the winter, so something like this with the wide arms is perfect for the chillier days. I want to thank aelfric Eden for sending me these pieces, and I also have a discount code for you guys, which I will leave here, and you can get 25% off of your order. Good morning. It's almost the end of the weekend. Today's already Sunday, and I'm getting my Sunday scaries, but it's not over yet. I have a birthday today for my good friend Grace. She's hosting a little bagel brunch at her place, and I'm gonna go pick up the cake that we ordered for her. It's a really, really, really gorgeous cake from Loquat Bakery. It's like espresso buttercream and has fresh flowers on top, and I think she's gonna love it.
Didn't think you'd say hi to me, let alone walk by me, even though I know I deserve the best. Just look at you, you make me blush. And I put on my walls somehow I won't get crushed, 'cause when you're looking in my eyes, like I'm walking on thin ice. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game that I never wanna play, but when you look my way, it's like I'm because I have a backlog on short. If you ever stop believing, eat some ice cream. That is cute, but it's also just marketing.
Smoked mac and cheese.
Ooh, okay, that's kind of gross. Ew.
It has a swirl.
I don't like that. No.
This is my first bite of the smoked mac and cheese salt and straw ice cream, and I did get some cheese swirl. It's pretty good. It tastes like cheesecake. I like the little
Crunch.
No, it kind of like, it tastes like graham cracker crust. I am getting ready to head out now. I'm just wearing one of the aelfric Eden pieces. We're watching Wicked, and I always get really cold in the theater, so this will be nice and warm. I remember going to watch Wicked on Broadway in New York as a little girl with my family, and that was just one of the most like core memories of my childhood, and it really started this musical theater obsession for me. So for me, this movie is a big deal, and I haven't been this excited to see a movie in a really long time. So. So they have like a pandan matcha. That was so good. I'm shocked, stunned, flabbergasted, all of it. The casting was perfect. I can't imagine anyone else as Glinda or Elphaba. It's a must-see in my opinion. If you haven't watched already, please do. It was perfect. And I can't wait for part 2. Just finished my first day. Everyone was super nice. I'm really excited for everything that's to come. I am back home now and I just wanted to show a couple things that I got for Black Friday. I didn't get a ton of stuff for myself. I mostly just bought gifts because I'm moving and I don't want to have additional things to pack, but I did pick up some small items, and excuse the mess in the background. Obviously, I'm trying to get everything packed up. The first thing I bought is the Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow in Space Cowboy. This thing is like a cult favorite. If you're a makeup or beauty enthusiast, then you've probably heard of this product before. It just works super well as like a standalone shadow and also gives that kind of like wet, glittery finish. I saw that people recommend applying it on the finger instead of using a brush, and this is kind of what it looks like. It just adds like the prettiest sparkle, but also not too in your face. The other piece I got is from Mango. It's just this wool collared jacket. I have been looking for something like this for a really long time and I fell in love with this one. It has pockets too, so very functional and practical. And it's also a wool blend. It's not 100% wool, but it feels really nice and high quality. I think this will be a super nice transitional piece. I live in San Francisco, so jackets like this are kind of a must.
Bye.